Today we're going to be going over the top 10 things to know in severe weather. Make sure you share this video with your friends and stay tuned for more weather safety tips. Let's get right into it. No. 1. Watches and warnings. What's the difference? A watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather. A warning means that severe weather is imminent or occurring. If a tornado warning is issued for your area, take shelter immediately. Don't wait to see if the tornado actually touches down. No. 2. Tornado. A violently rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground. The most intense type of tornado is a high-end EF2 or greater, which can cause significant damage to buildings. No. 3. Downburst. A strong downdraft from a thunderstorm that causes damaging winds at the surface. Downbursts are often associated with hail and heavy rain. Straight-line damaging wind events like these can sometimes be more damaging than tornadoes because they cover a larger area. No. 4. Derecho. A type of downburst that has a straight-line wind path over 250 miles long and produces wind damage over a large area. They are very similar to what we call a tropical cyclone, which are referred to as a hurricane or typhoon, depending on where they occur. Dereos typically produce damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour and can lead to widespread power outages. Number 5. Flash flood. An extremely rapid rise in water levels in a normally dry area. Flash floods are often caused by thunderstorms that produce intense rainfall over a short period of time. Even a small amount of rain falling over a large area can cause flash flooding, so don't underestimate the threat. If there's a flash flood warning, move to higher ground immediately. No. 6. Waterspout. A tornado that occurs over water. Although most waterspouts do not cause significant damage, they can pose a threat to marine vessels. Number 7. Hurricane. A type of tropical cyclone that has maximum sustained wind speeds of 74 miles per hour or greater. As a Category 1 hurricane approaches land, it may undergo rapid intensification before making landfall. This can lead to life-threatening storm surge, damaging winds and torrential rainfall. Blizzard. A severe snowstorm that features heavy snowfall, strong winds, and low visibility. Blizzards can cause dangerous and life-threatening situations due to the heavy, wet snow and strong winds. During a blizzard, the combination of heavy, wet snow and ice can cause trees and power lines to fall, blocking roads and causing power outages. Ice jam, a buildup of ice that forms in a river or stream and can cause flooding and damage to property. Ice jams occur when temperatures fluctuate above and below the freezing point, causing ice to form and jam in rivers and streams. And finally, number 10. Winter storm. A storm that produces heavy snowfall, strong winds, and low temperatures. Heavy snowfall can lead to dangerous and life-threatening situations due to the accumulation of snow and ice. If you live in a severe weather-prone area, having emergency supplies ready can help you and your family stay safe and recover more quickly in the event of a disaster. Here are some items you should consider keeping on hand. The first thing you should keep on hand is bottled water, non-perishable food, and a manual can opener. You should have enough supplies to last at least 3 days. The next thing you should keep on hand is a flashlight and extra batteries. A NOAA weather radio that is battery-powered or hand crank is also helpful, since it will automatically tune into local weather broadcasts even when the power goes out. First aid supplies, including any prescription medications you or anyone in your family may need, are important to have on hand. Having a whistle to signal for help, duct tape to secure windows and plastic sheeting, and rope to help secure your home are all good ideas. Other things to keep in mind are moist towelettes. These can all be used in situations where you don't have access to water for sanitation purposes. Having a wrench or pliers to turn off utilities, a gas mask, and a Geiger counter might seem odd, but they could be lifesavers in certain situations. And finally, you should always keep a battery-powered or hand-crank weather radio on hand. It can alert you to approaching severe weather even if the power goes out. Here are some additional items you may want to consider for your emergency supply kit. A battery-powered or hand-crank weather radio, face masks, rubber gloves, paper towels, soap, hand sanitizer, toothpaste and toothbrushes, feminine supplies, diapers and wipes, pet food and water, cash and a fire extinguisher. Also, remember to keep important documents like insurance policies and identification in a safe location, such as a waterproof container or a safe deposit box. In addition to preparing an emergency supply kit, it is also important to make a plan for what you will do in the event of a disaster. This plan should include evacuation routes and communication plans for you and your family members. Here are some things you can do to protect yourself and your family before, during, and after severe weather. Before severe weather arrives, you can board up windows and doors. Bring loose objects indoors. Trim dead or weak limbs off trees. Park your car in a garage and fill your car's gas tank. During severe weather, you should go to an interior room away from windows. Monitor weather updates and have your emergency supply kit handy. After severe weather, you should check for injuries, damage, and downed power lines. Use generators and grills outdoors and away from windows to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning. Report any damage to your local authorities and boil water before drinking it if the water service has been interrupted. Hopefully this was helpful. Remember, you can find more weather safety tips on our website or by following us on social media. Thanks for watching. This has been your host with the National Weather Service. Stay safe.